this back. Originally, when I first built this wall, I had 4 SA15s.
Yeah, okay.
So I had all the measurement, the marks and stuff still for the 4 SAs.
Yeah.
I built it back to that, but like it's too big for the power, so I shrunk it down. So it picked up a lot more.
Picked up on the load. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cone control difference with the shrinking. Yeah.
But stay tuned. Next year, building a Tahoe.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, man. I'm gonna go look at the amps. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Is this Mr. Mokel, your old fire truck build with 6 Sundown SA15s?
Yeah.
So now you've got 4 15 ZV6s.
Yes, sir.
And like is it like a 3 or 4 to 1 ratio, or do you know your ratio on it?
Like, alright, 2 to 1. 2 to 1, okay.
Wow, you must have good bandwidth then. It's pretty.
Somewhat.
Did you build this? Looks good. What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Give them a like and comment what you like about Mokel's system. This was at the Slamfest audio show near Tampa, Florida area. Pretty impressive. A lot of power on tap. 30,000 watts, 2 Taramp Bass, 15Ks. Didn't get a lot of the specs about the enclosure or the electrical side, but I did a good walk around for y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed that. So 2 of these Cyber 12Ks. They usually handle 8 to 10,000 watts each, so definitely a little bit underpowered on the lithium side, but he had a lot of power on tap, and I'm sure he didn't even turn it up all the way, but I could definitely tell heat was coming from these subs being inverted. There was a lot of power on tap during this demo you're going to see. I got a good demo reaction with somebody else sitting inside, some crazy door flex, and me getting inside as well. So if you notice the way the port pressure is, center port pretty much helps align the pressure in between both of the doors and the seats. So having center ports are usually the best demo musical response system. And this is a 4th order enclosure, being that there is a sealed section behind those sub cones. Total of 30,000 watts on 4 15-inch subs. These subs are rated at 2.5K watts. So he's definitely giving them all the juice during this demo. If you already haven't, hit that subscribe button for daily car audio videos on my channel every day, and enjoy. All right, yeah, I'd love to hear it. Makes no sense, I know crazy. Give up all this pussy cat that's in my lap, no looking back. Spaceships don't come equipped with the rear view mirrors. They dip as quick as they can. The atmosphere is now lit. I'm so like a pimp. Last night, so they like from the sun with not burning on my bum when I shoot the moon. I jump the broom like a preemie.
the room. My partner yelling, too soon, don't do it. Reconsider, breathe some litter. Sure on the subject, we sure? Fuck it, you know we got your back like Taramp Bass. If that bitch do you dirty, we'll wipe her ass out as in detergent. Keep your heart, man, these girls smart. We stack these girls smart. Play your part, play your part. My bitch a choosing, never fuck her.
bandwidth is really low. You built it for low tuning, didn't you? Or is it just musical with this door closed?
When I built this back, originally when I first built this wall, I had 4 SA15s.
Yeah, okay.
So I had all the measurement, the marks and stuff still for the 4 SAs.
Yeah.
I built it back to but like it's too big for the power, so I shrunk it down. So it picked up a lot more.
Picked up on the load, yeah.
Yeah.
Cone control difference with the shrinking. Yeah. All right, man. Hey, thank you for the